Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on Fedex. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fedex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Fedex website. Now from the homepage, if you wish to change your language, you can either use Google Translate, which is located at the right side of your URL box. If you don't find this option, you can scroll down from the Fedex homepage, and when you scroll all the way down, you will see the language feature. If you don't find your preferred language when you click on the drop-down menu, you will need to change your region as well. So click on the country or region that is currently shown, and you will be allowed to select the region that you are in. And you can also find the language option alongside. Go ahead and simply click on the language option alongside your preferred region, and your language will be changed based on the one you selected right away. And you can repeat this process as many times as you want to change your language on Fedex. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your Fedex language. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.